Are you planning a trip to Japan? Hold on a moment. Don't let your trip end as just another tourist experience. What if your trip could change your destiny? Hello, and welcome to Good Luck Japan Travel. Today, I'll teach you how to design a happy life using an ancient Japanese method called Auspicious Direction Travel.
Hi everyone, I'm Saruppi, your good luck guide on this channel. And if Punch at Ichikawa City Zoo totally stole your heart, yep, I get it. You just can't stop thinking about him, right? Well, today we're taking all that big-hearted energy and turning it into good luck.
First, find out your energy type. In this tradition, we believe we are all born with an element of nature. There are 9 types. 1 white water, flowing like water. 2 black earth, gentle like Mother Earth. 3 jade wood, growing with abundant vitality. 4 green wood, spreading joy like a gentle breeze. 5 yellow earth, centering yourself with strength. 6 white metal, shining with noble wisdom. 7 red metal, blooming with joy and gratitude. 8 white earth, unwavering like a mountain. 9 purple fire, shining with brilliant light. Next, find your element by number. It's very simple. Use your year of birth. For example, if you were born in 1975. Add all the numbers. 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 22. Add them until you get a single digit. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Finally, subtract that from 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. Your number is 7, so you're 7 red metal.
Wait, there's an important rule.
Thanks, saruppi. This is important. In Japan, it has long been believed that the new year begins on February 4th. So, if you were born between January 1st and February 3rd, use the previous year when calculating. For example, if you were born on February 2nd, 1975, use 1974. Once you know your number, the next step is to check your direction. Where is Japan located from your home? When looking at direction, divide it into 8 directions like this. East, west, north, and south are all 30 degrees apart, and all other directions are 60 degrees apart. If you're from the west coast of the United States, it's west. If you're in London, east. If you're in Australia, north. And if you're in Singapore, northeast.
The trick is to know the exact direction. Use Google Maps or an AI app and ask, "My location is X. What direction is Japan?" and find out.
Once you know the direction to Japan from where you live, take a look at this table. These are the lucky directions for each of the 9 elements in 2026. The lucky directions are outlined in pink. If Japan is included, you're extremely lucky. Please come visit Japan. The exact dates are from February 4th, 2026 to February 3rd, 2027. Finally, here are the expected effects of each direction. North, love, luck, and trust. East, career, luck, and growth. South, purification and beauty. West, money, luck, and business. Northeast, savings and positive changes. Southeast, love and relationships. Southwest, family and foundational stability. Northwest, status and financial luck. Wouldn't it be great if you could enjoy Japan and also enjoy these benefits? And here's an additional bonus from Saruppi.
There are days when you'll be 10 times luckier.
That's right. From September 7th to October 7th, 2026, the effect will be 5 times greater. Furthermore, on September 7th, 16, 25, and October 4th, the effect will be 10 times greater. If you can come to Japan during these times, it's magic. Seize wonderful memories and good fortune in Japan. Come design your happy life. Next time, we'll talk about the Shinkansen, a convenient way to get around Japan. Have a fun trip.
Have a fun trip!